Hi students of class 6, today we will do the third part of the chapter. Last 2 days we are doing chapter 2. Today we will finish that chapter. So open page 26 everyone. Using Windows Flip. We will start from here today. Now what is the window flip feature? It is used to show the live thumbnail preview of each of the open windows on the desktop. Clear? Now, how to do that? Go through the steps. First, we have to press the Alt key plus Tab key from the keyboard. Alt and Tab key together we have to press. The thumbnail preview list of all the open windows will appear on the desktop. Release the Tab key. Press the Tab key to move from the active preview to the next one, and release the button to open the currently selected preview window. Okay? Okay. Now this thing is done for window flip option. First we have to press the Alt plus Tab, then the thumbnail preview list of all the open windows will appear on the desktop. Release the Tab key, press the Tab key to move from one active preview to the next, then release the button to open the currently selected preview window. Now coming to Windows Flip 3D feature. What does this feature give us? It shows the live moving images of all the windows, allowing us to switch between them while displaying them in the three-dimensional view. Okay. Next, how to do this? First, press the Tab key along with the Win key, that means the window key. Now, preview of the moving open windows in 3D will appear on the desktop. Release the Tab key. Press the Tab key to move from one active preview to the next. Then release the button to open the currently selected preview window. Easy one. Done. The difference between the 3D flip and the window flip is clear now. Now coming to how we search a file and folder in the desktop. The very important feature of using the computer system to search our files and folders efficiently in less time. Now, searching from the start menu. One search box is there in the start menu. Whenever you click the start button, the list opens and over there one search box is there. Type your file or folder name. Press enter. Your file or folder will be searched and in a window it will be shown to you. Now, using the Window Explorer or the computer icon, how can you do that? Very easy one. Open the Window Explorer, double click on the computer icon and the Window Explorer window will open. Over there on the right hand side top, you have the search box. Type your file or folder name over there. Press the enter and the file or folder will be searched. If it is found, it will be shown in that window along with the location. That location will be opened and the file or folder will be shown to you. Clear? Turn the page. Using the wildcards for searching, how can we do that? Simply, sometimes we may not, we are not sure about the file or folder name. We sometimes forget, human always forget things. Exact file or folder name is not remembered by us. What we will do? We will not search our file. No, that is not the thing. We can search our file by some of the wildcard features that the computer is giving us. Wildcard works like a joker in the pack of card. What it does? There are two wildcard characters that are asterisk, the star sign, to indicate one or more characters, and a question mark for a single character. That means star indicates that the file name can contain more than one character, and the star indicates the one character. Very good. Now, for example, how can we work with that? If our file name starts with result and you don't remember the last character, what we can type? Result star dot docx. Star means many more file name is there, but we can't remember. So the first portion of the file name is result. As many result file it will get, it will be shown to us in the computer window. Now, suppose what is this docx? We remember that our file was a document file, Word file. Then we will write docx. Suppose our file was a presentation file. What we will write? .pptx, result star.pptx. As our file is, we will type that file extension for that. Now, suppose in the case we are looking for a file name result1.docx. What we will do for that time? Only result one character is there and we don't remember that. So what we will do? Result question.docx. Question means only one character is there after the result name. Clear to you how to use the while characters for star? Whenever we can remember that many characters will be there, we will use star. When we know that only one character is there that we can't remember, we will use question mark. Now here we will finish the chapter. Your work starts now. Everyone will read the chapter thoroughly. Many important features of Windows 7 are here. So class 6 students, be very careful and learn it. The important portions, as I am telling you, learn those portions very thoroughly. Then your work is page 28, the let's recap, writing all the points in the computer CW copy and learning them thoroughly. Fill in the blanks, maybe definition, maybe short question answers can come from there. With this video, I will attach the book exercise and the CW copy question answer. Your work is to do the book exercise in the book with the pencil and the question answer you will do it in the CW copy. Clear? So a lot of work is there I am giving you, but I think you can finish it. You are staying at home, do the other subjects and along with that learn computer also. Okay? Stay at home, do your work. Bye bye.